Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shilong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Kajingelang jongka Regional Democratic Alliance kabalong ka Shatri jongka United Democratic Party bat ka Hill State People's Democratic Party kabalalong haka hinyaw tarik unaiwing arjar arpulai kampat laban ajing tip AA halor ka jing penyeng yau kertong monlang nakabenta ka Shilong Parliamentary Seat haga election Lok Sabha bat ia ka election MDC giban salong House nem arjar arpusau. Hagani ka jingalang gani ka kanhun kalatung yo uba medba lengdok kumu chairman, uba Martel Mukim kumu co-chairman, uba KP Pynïakhun kumu secretary, bat uba Tito Starwell Kind kumu assistant secretary.
Jadi kerja kedua jom kalau putri me arca apulai, condition arca apulai, ini kedua bak nilai grand aku beri bagi jimpen jeng jimpen klan cucu yang parti yang ADE yang arah itu keluar bagi lek seki yang lagi jom-jom ke parti pen snow bagi grand discuss bagi ke ADE. Jadi tak kesini hadiah bagi pro ini shopping data. Yang I buat untuk aplikasi parti yang apa minat pen scam susu yang ke ADE pada juga por yang ke bagi ya cekman beri kamu lagi isu ke per beri nak tak stil itu. Dah harga ni ka jenis kenduk ke ni ada jet lagi nongkit kam kendiat jongka RDA ada chairman, secretary, assistant secretary. Kita kilo di office bearers jongka parti. Dan lalu kini kita members pada kadwengut na baru RDA jongka HSPDP dan jongka UDP. Nak kalian jom ni kumka RDA, minta kesini ketinggikan kelong kumlo ban klan ya RDA ban ya cekmat aku beri ke isu ke subjek ke kam ke papel ke beri nak minta ke interest jongka setiap. Halor kini ke subjek jongka MP election, lesing insa Shim minta haki meeting ke pasawat tentang kita kira yang kedua bagi jika ikut minta kasih. Maka co-chairman ba Martel Mukim dan secretary ba KP Pynïakhun dan assistant secretary ba Tito Starwell Kind. Tak kira. Dalam tentang yang pakar Republik Indonesia kan, tentang kita kita dan jingku bagi kawan kontes ke parti ini kita pensau lagi. Jadi ke proses ini dan sedang minta kumno banginnya hak bagi mereka MP. Sekarang tu kan depon apa yang saya, tapi bad lagi kita pribadi berpendapat.
As we have already discussed earlier, sometime in the month of May 2023. So today we had a very good and cordial meeting in between the two parties, and we have decided and we have resolved some of the important issues of the RDAs of the RDA. First of all, we have reconstituted the office bearers of the RDA. We have elected Sri Medba, the president of the UDP, to be the chairman of this RDA, and Sri Martel Mukim, who is the MDC of HSPDP, as the co-chairman, and elected secretary Mr. KP Pynïakhun, and the assistant secretary Mr. Tito Starwell Kind. And we have also decided that other 6 members to be elected from the UDP party and 5 more members to be elected from the HSPDP party in order to have a full body of office bearers and members of this RDA. That is the decision we have taken today in this meeting. Discuss the preparation of MDC election. But as we have aware of the fact that the last MLA election and the MDC election 2019 also, we have a mutual understanding in between the RDA. Even though we did not, take a people alliance or sharing of seats, but under the umbrella of the RDA, we have a mutual and close understanding. That is that we have, been practiced in the previous election. So, but the upcoming MDC election, so we will have thorough discussion in these coming days. We have discussed clearly, since we are in the RDA umbrella, any candidate from either HSPD party or UDP, we will decide together. They will come forward to inform in the RDA meeting. So we have no problem with the so-called symbol of this election or MP election or candidates. But if this party receive interested candidates for the MP election, let the party inform the RDA and we take a collective decision. As I have informed, both the parties, they will initiate or identify the candidate and they will inform to the RDA for collective decision. That's all that we have. We have also discussed at length that each party, they will take a call how to proceed ahead the preparation of the MP election under the umbrella of the RDA. And the meeting today has decided that we will inform to each and every members of both the parties, HSPP and UDP, that we will rebuild again this alliance, strengthening this alliance, and we will allow also to discuss the preparation of the MP election by having internal discussion of each party. That is the decision we have taken today. We have decided, let both the parties initiate whatever aspirant candidate comes forward, and then finally we'll inform to the RDA, then we'll take a collective decision.